What's up, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. In today's video we got Icon versus Caterpillar / snap-on pliers. Let's get into it. What's up, guys? So I just went over to the Caterpillar dealership, and I picked these up. These are basically snap-on pliers, but they're just made for the Cat brand. So paid $101.76, I believe, out the door. It was like $95 and change. Might vary depending on which dealership you go to, or you can order them online. So I haven't opened them up yet. They're still in the plastic, as you can tell. The way they look great, and I can't wait to use these. Actually, they look good. I'm gonna open these up right now, so hold on. All right, guys, so just took the plastic off, and first initial touching of them, they feel great. They're tight a little bit, but I'm sure they'll break in and loosen up a little bit after you use them. Quality looks good. Nice rubber grip handles. They feel pretty nice. Only difference is they don't say snap-on right there. You know, quality looks really good. Being snap-on, can't go wrong. I like the yellow as well. Nice cat yellow. So that's the cutters. Let me put those back in there. And we got the needle nose. Open these up. They're the nice grips. A little oil on the tips just to keep them from rusting. Feel great. USA made. Can't go wrong. And we got the slip joint pliers. If I can ever get these back in the spot right there. And slip joint pliers, they got oil on them still, assembly oil to keep them from rusting. That's the part number. If you need the part number, you know, slip joint. They look almost like the Icons, but they're not, you know. Nice rivet. Grips are good. Yeah. There's a part number if you need the part number off that one. 6V6194. And the cutters are 6193. You know, Icon makes the snap-on knockoff version of pliers. So I got here today, I got the 3 pairs, you know, slip joint pliers, your needle nose, and your diagonal cutters. You know, they look good, they look really good, whatnot. You know, almost an exact copy. These have been working great. I've had them for about a year now. I've never had to warranty them out. Picked up at Caterpillar dealership. They sell the 3-piece of the same exact set right here. Well, as a set instead of individual. Well, you can buy them individually, but easier to buy them as a set. So here they are. They look very nice. And I did notice quickly that the cutters of the snap-on, these are USA made, same factory that they make the snap-on, just not engraved with the snap-on logo, you know. So one thing I did notice is right here is way wider than right here. I can't barely even get my finger on that. Like, this is way wider. This has a lot more support, I noticed as well. Yellow is one of my favorite colors. I don't care for the red. I prefer if they came out in green eventually. And, you know, so they look wide. They're wider. They're made in USA. Yeah, they're a little more pricey, but hey, I'd rather have USA. But these I'll keep in my truck. The needle nose version. Snap-on USA. These are just about the same length. Very little difference in them, as you can tell. Grips go up a little bit longer. Just a hair longer than these. Alright. Oh, dirt on there already. So, slip joint. You can tell this is wider. These are thinner here. You know, a little bit different here and here as well. Teeth, let's see compare the teeth. They look good still on both sides. These are brand new as well. Well, these are brand new, I mean. And these are brand new. Haven't even used them yet. And the same thing with these. I've heard these, the Icon teeth wear out faster than the snap-on cap version. Same thing is, grips are a hair shorter on these than the cap, but other than that, they're about the same exact thing, besides USA made. So, gonna keep these. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks a lot.